enter India. The land that has inspired the world with its rich history and cultural heritage is today the land of endless opportunities and entrepreneurs who convert these opportunities into world-class enterprises. About 50 kilometers to the east of New Delhi, the Indian capital and the business, political and cultural hub of India, is situated a company that has silently made a mark for itself in the highly organized and quality-conscious forgings industry. Formerly known as Chaudhary Hammer Works, CHW Forge is amongst India's leading and most respected manufacturers of open die and rolled ring forgings. CHW Forge is a trusted name known for forgings manufactured using the highest quality raw materials, advanced infrastructure and stringent testing processes as per international standards. At the same time, CHW Forge shares close relationships with some of the biggest names across the world. CHW Forge is driven by its mission to deliver forgings of unmatched quality and build strong relationships with its customers, which is best represented by its tagline, "Forgings and relationships which last longer." The product range at CHW Forge includes a wide variety of heavy steel and aluminium forgings which find application across diverse industries. We manufacture cost-effective and consistently high-quality standard and non-standard flanges, rolled rings, slewing rings, gear rings, tower flanges for windmill, well neck ring joint flanges, self-reinforced nozzles, blinds and tube sheets, rolled rings of aluminium alloys and many more customized forgings. These products are preferred by our customers in the business of oil and petrochemicals, defense and power, material handling and earth-moving equipments, engineering, procurement and construction, bearing and gear blanks, fabrication, wind energy, pressure vessels and heat exchangers and valves.
CHW Forge has recently undergone a rebranding exercise through which it derives its new name, logo and philosophy. The philosophy of the company can best be represented by its new tagline, "Forgings and relationships which last longer." This rebranding is an effort of a year-long exercise to communicate effectively with our customers. It is not only a reflection of a strong brand equity, but also a commitment to be customer focused and place great importance on building long-term relationships. Over the past 50 years, we have grown to become a leading company within India and overseas in forging business. We are a modern organization and are passionate about high quality, professionalism and the way we operate.
CHW Forge is certified by international certifying agencies ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, BS OSAS 18001-2007, PED 9723EC TUV Nord, AD 2000 Merkblatt WO TUV Nord, API Spec 6A American Petroleum Institute and well-known Forge Indian Boiler Regulations 1950, Central Boilers Board, CHW Forge has been recently awarded as the best forge shop in open and open die forging by the Association of Indian Forging Industry. CHW Forge is not only recognized for its high-quality forgings but also as a role model in fostering an environment-conscious industry, with over 30% of its factory land reserved for green areas, prudent waste water and agro-waste management practices. We have been recognized several times for our green infrastructure. The forging process at CHW Forge begins with sourcing the highest quality raw materials from well-recognized vendors. Processing them correctly forms a fundamental step towards ensuring quality excellence. A robust identification and traceability mechanism is used to avoid mix-up and unintended use of raw materials, which include high-quality grades of carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, duplex stainless steel and aluminium alloys. CHW Forge brings advanced in-house production capabilities which not only result in complete control of the processes and quality but also in cost-effective products. The forging process starts with the cutting of raw material at the forge shop, which is equipped with a range of automatic band saws with capacity to saw steel up to 1500 millimeters per minute. The electrically operated heat treatment furnaces at CHW Forge are capable of normalizing, hardening, tempering, annealing and hydrogen flaking. The heating process can be performed up to 1200 degrees Celsius and has drop bottom facility to process aluminium alloys. The forge shop is equipped with a 4,000-ton hydraulic press from Schuler, Germany that comes with slide rotating device for incremental forging. The hydraulic hammers are capable of pressing a single piece up to 5,000 kilograms and are supported by charging machines and advanced manipulators. The radial axial ring rolling machine from SMS Meyer is capable of rolling rings with and without profile on the outer and inner diameter and flanges with reduced input weight, higher reduction ratio, desired grain flow along the rolled profile and improved mechanical properties. It can manufacture rolled rings up to a diameter of 4,800 millimeters, height up to 650 millimeters and weight up to 5,000 kilograms. The facilities at CHW Forge include a water quenching tank for carrying out solution annealing and oil quenching tank for carrying out the hardening and tempering process. The machining facilities at CHW Forge include a range of CNC machining centers, vertical turning lathes and other allied machines, which include a state-of-the-art high-speed drilling machine with 2 drill heads. CHW Forge has the capability to supply forgings in proof machined or fully machined conditions within close tolerances. We are deeply committed to a stringent final product testing, which is uncompromising and leaves no scope for flaws. The non-destructive testing includes ultrasonic test, magnetic particle test, liquid penetrant test, positive material identification, hardness testing, and in situ microscopy. The destructive testing includes impact testing, metallurgical testing, mechanical testing, Jomini test, and intergranular corrosion test. In addition to these, CHW Forge also conducts customer-specific quality checks. Once the forgings pass our stringent testing checks, the customer order is prepared for dispatch in airtight packaging and loaded into containers.
CHW Forge is preferred by companies across the globe for its quality and reliability of forgings. Over 5 decades of its operations, the company has developed systematic and scientific processes, resulting in manufacturing excellence.
While delivering world-class forgings to the customers, CHW Forge has built something equally valuable and lasting: relationships with all its stakeholders, customers, employees, contractors, suppliers, bankers, government and the community. The team at CHW Forge includes talented and experienced individuals who are motivated to discover new possibilities in ensuring customer delight. They are empowered to take decisions and communicate with customers in a prompt and accurate manner. An integrated company-wide ERP system maintains accurate control on materials, production and inspections, while advanced communication systems ensure seamless information exchange between CHW Forge and its customers. At CHW Forge, we place emphasis on regular customer review meetings to gain comprehensive feedback and insight in order to improve our operations further. A dedicated training center is the hub for knowledge exchange and the source of inspiration for new product development, operational improvements and leadership development at CHW Forge.
CHW Forge shares a close relationship with some of the biggest names across the world. This is due to strong service orientation, which translates into on-time deliveries, automated order tracking, and meeting complex customer requirements.
CHW Forge has a customer base extending across the globe, including Asia, Europe, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, USA, and Australia. Some of the leading names in their respective industries share close and trusting relationships with CHW Forge, choosing us as their preferred suppliers. With close to 6 decades of successful operations behind it, CHW Forge aspires to be a global leader in the forgings industry. It aims to fulfill this vision through its simple philosophy of producing quality forgings and building lasting relationships.